You've probably heard the term rolling release tossed around in Linux circles, and while it might sound technical or mysterious, the concept is actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. Instead of waiting for those big, dramatic updates that only come once or twice a year, a rolling release system delivers a steady stream of smaller, more frequent updates. Your operating system is always evolving bit by bit in the background. Every component of your system, whether it's the Linux kernel, your favorite apps, or the drivers that make your hardware work, gets updated as soon as a new version is available and has passed basic testing. There's no need to wait for a major release cycle. There's no big launch event or countdown to a new version. Instead, your OS just keeps getting better, day by day, with changes that are often so seamless you might not even notice them happening. Because you're always running the latest software, version numbers start to matter less. You're not stuck on version 21.04 or 22.10, you're simply up to date all the time. The core philosophy behind rolling release is to get improvements and new features into users' hands as quickly as possible. Developers don't hold back changes for a big reveal, they push them out as soon as they're ready. For example, if Firefox releases a new version with cool features or important security fixes, your Linux distribution will package and deliver it to you, sometimes within just a few days, or even hours of its official release. This means you're always living on the cutting edge, getting access to the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes almost immediately, without having to wait for the next big update window. And it's not just about apps. This approach applies to everything: the kernel, system libraries, and even device drivers. If a new driver comes out that makes your hardware work better, you'll get it right away, no delays. So you don't have to wait 6 months or even longer for the next big operating system release just to get the latest improvements or hardware support. The goal is to keep every single part of your system current, all the time, so you're always running the freshest, most secure, and most feature-rich software available. That's the essence of a rolling release. Constant, incremental improvement, where your system is always up to date, always evolving, and always ready for whatever comes next. To really understand how rolling releases work, it helps to first look at the more traditional approach to software updates: point releases. This model has been the backbone of operating system development for decades, and it's what most people are familiar with, even if they don't know the term. Think about the jump from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or upgrading your Mac from Monterey to Ventura. These are classic examples of point releases, major, clearly defined updates that mark a new era for your operating system. Behind the scenes, teams of developers spend months, sometimes even years, working on these new versions. They gather up new features, improvements, and fixes, and bundle them all together into one big package. When it's ready, the new version is released to the public as a major event. Once you've installed a point release, your system enters a period of stability. During this time, you'll mostly receive security patches and bug fixes. The core software, the foundation of your system, stays largely unchanged until the next big release. This approach creates a stable and predictable platform. Everything is tested to work together, so you can count on your apps and hardware behaving as expected. It's especially important in environments where reliability is critical, like businesses and schools. Each point release is like a snapshot in time, carefully crafted for maximum reliability. Support cycles are clearly defined, often lasting several years, so you know exactly how long your system will be maintained and kept secure. When the next major version finally arrives, you go through a significant upgrade process. This can mean replacing large parts of your operating system, updating drivers, and sometimes learning new features or workflows. For some users, this upgrade is smooth and seamless. For others, especially those who have customized their systems or rely on specific software, it can be a bumpy ride. Sometimes things break, and troubleshooting is required. The main goal of point releases is stability. By freezing software versions, developers can guarantee that everything has been tested together, reducing the risk of unexpected problems. This is absolutely crucial for servers, businesses, and anyone who needs a computer that just works day in and day out without surprises or sudden changes. The trade-off is clear. You might not get the latest features right away, but you gain a rock-solid, predictable experience that you can rely on for years. It's the classic, if it ain't broke, don't fix it philosophy, prioritizing reliability and peace of mind over chasing the newest updates. Let's compare the two models. Rolling releases embrace constant incremental change, like a river always flowing. Point releases prefer periodic, significant change, like lakes connected by waterfalls. With rolling releases, updates are a routine. Run a command, get new packages, and your system evolves gradually. With point releases, you get minor updates for months, then a major upgrade that can be disruptive. On rolling, new software features arrive fast. On point, you might wait months or years. Installing new apps on point releases can be tricky if they need newer system libraries. Point releases prioritize system-wide consistency over having the newest apps. The choice is a trade-off: newness versus stability. Rolling releases offer the latest features and drivers, but with a higher risk of bugs. Point releases are tested for reliability, but you sacrifice immediate access to new software. There's no right answer. It's about what you value in your daily computing. Choose the model that fits your needs. In the world of rolling release Linux distributions, a handful of distros have truly made a name for themselves, each offering a unique blend of features, philosophies, and user experiences. Rolling release means you're always on the cutting edge, getting the latest software updates as soon as they're available, without waiting for major version upgrades. ArchLinux is perhaps the most iconic of them all: minimal, user-controlled, and powered by the lightning-fast Pacman package manager. Arch is famous for its simplicity, but that simplicity comes with a catch. You build your system from the ground up, making every choice along the way. The Arch User Repository, or AUR, is a massive community-driven software library that gives you access to almost any application you can imagine. However, Arch expects you to be comfortable with the command line and to troubleshoot issues yourself, making it best suited for experienced users or those eager to learn. Manjaro, on the other hand, is based on Arch, but designed to be much more approachable. It adds extra layers of testing, graphical installers, and user-friendly tools, making it a great choice for those who want Arch's power without the steep learning curve. Think of Manjaro as Arch with training wheels, perfect for newcomers or anyone who wants a smoother, more guided experience while still enjoying a rolling release model. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed is another major player in the rolling release space, renowned for its rigorous automated testing process using OpenQA. This ensures that updates are stable and reliable before reaching users. Tumbleweed is considered one of the most stable rolling releases available, making it ideal for developers and power users who need the latest software, but can't afford unexpected system breakage. Solus takes a different approach, offering a curated rolling experience that focuses on a polished desktop environment and carefully selected updates. It's not based on any other distro, which gives it a unique identity. Built entirely from scratch, Solus features its own budgie desktop, aiming to deliver a smooth, modern, and visually appealing user experience that's both stable and up-to-date. For those who want the benefits of modern software without the chaos that sometimes comes with rolling releases, Solus is a fantastic middle ground, offering balance, reliability, and a user-friendly interface. Each of these distros brings its own philosophy and strengths to the table. So whether you're a power user, a developer, or just curious about Linux, there's a rolling release distro out there that's perfect for you. Why choose a rolling release? The biggest perk, you always have the latest software. No waiting months for new features or hardware support. Updates arrive as soon as they're ready. This is huge for developers, designers, and gamers who need modern tools and drivers. Gamers, for example, get new graphics drivers and performance boosts right away. On a rolling release, your system evolves gradually. No massive, disruptive upgrades. Maintenance becomes a simple, routine task: update, grab a coffee, done. Your system always feels fresh and modern. You're also closer to the development community. Your feedback and bug reports can quickly lead to fixes. The feedback loop is short. A bug you find today could be fixed in next week's update. You're not just a user, you're part of the process, helping improve the software for everyone. That's the open source spirit in action. Rolling releases keep you on the cutting edge. It's a dynamic, engaging way to use your computer. Living on the edge has its risks. Instability is the biggest. New updates can introduce bugs or break features, even with testing. Rolling releases require more attention. You should update regularly and stay informed. Waiting too long between updates can make the process riskier and more complex. Software breakage is possible. An update to one part can temporarily break another. This is rare, but it can disrupt your workflow. Rolling releases aren't ideal for mission-critical machines where stability is everything. They're best for desktops, laptops, and users who enjoy tinkering and want the latest features. It's a tool for those who value newness over long-term stability. Let's use a car analogy. A point-release distro is like buying a new Toyota Camry, engineered, tested, and reliable. You get routine maintenance, security updates, and it just works, day after day. After a few years you can upgrade to the new model with all the latest features. That's your major OS upgrade. A rolling release is like a high-performance project car, constantly upgraded with new parts. Every week you're tweaking and improving, always running the latest tech. But it requires your constant involvement and troubleshooting. Sometimes a new part might not work perfectly and you'll need to fix it. The project car is fast and exciting, but demands your attention. The Camry is stable and predictable. Neither is better, they're just for different drivers. What kind of driver are you? Should you try a rolling release? Ask yourself, do you need the latest software for work or hobbies? If you're a developer, gamer, or tech enthusiast, rolling releases are a great fit. If you value stability and hate troubleshooting, stick with a point release like Ubuntu LTS or Debian. Do you enjoy tinkering and learning about your system? Rolling releases can be rewarding. If you want your computer to just work with minimal attention, point releases are better. Got brand new hardware? Rolling releases offer better support out of the box. Older hardware? Point releases work just fine. Match your choice to your needs and comfort level. The debate isn't about which model is better, it's about what's better for you. Both rolling and point releases serve different users and purposes. Linux gives you the freedom to choose the approach that fits your needs. Rolling releases offer the latest features and performance, perfect for enthusiasts and those with new hardware. The trade-off, more hands-on maintenance and a bit more risk. Point releases offer stability and predictability, trusted by businesses and anyone who needs reliability. You sacrifice immediate access to new features, but gain peace of mind. Before installing, think about what you want from your OS cutting edge or calm stability. There's no wrong answer. Just pick the path that makes your computing experience better. That's the power of choice in open source.